I don't want to talk about how late this unboxing is this month. Oh my god. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my monthly Boxycharm unboxing. I have a base box this month, and next month I get a luxe. I have been very absent on YouTube because I got a new job, and I have been balancing that new job thing, balancing that with the COVID world. I'm working from home now, which is interesting. I've never not had a retail job before in my life, and this is the first time, so that's exciting, but also strange because I just never leave my house, which has perks. So this month we're just going to get into the box right now. This month's theme is Boxycharm XOXO. Because I'm filming this so late, I actually have mini reviews on these products. I also did post a reel of me using these products and then pictures of me with these products on my Instagram. I'll put that down below here. So obviously it was Valentine's Day this month, even though it felt like 6 years ago and it was like a week and a half ago. Time is a vicious, vicious thing. So I'm going to start with the first thing in the box. I'm going to run down the list, and this is actually the one that I customized. So I have been really loving Ace Beauty products. I have a few of their eyeshadow palettes, and I like refuse to get rid of them. They're some of my favorite formulas because they're just so pigmented and they just blend so well. And I'm always so inspired when I look at them. So when there was the option for an Ace Beauty palette in the box, I hopped on that for my choice. This is the Nostalgia palette, and it looks just stunning. Obviously this shade is what called to me most, and I did a little like cat eye but with like layers look using this shade here and also this yellow shade here. I just wanted something a little different. I've been doing a lot of like graphic liner things, but I also wanted to bring it back to like eyeshadow, and honestly this is such a beautiful vibrant palette. I am really inspired to do something with these purples, like this little quad right here. Oof, something would be really nice. So this is incredible. I really do, again, love the formula, the way everything blended out. It was so nice. What a great experience. This retails for $38.99. It says the Nostalgia palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity. And they did. As well as make you feel nostalgic and somewhat about some awesome past fun times before the pandemic. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. I've got to say, color payoff was incredible. I actually really can't wait to use this again. Yeah. So that's the first product in the box. The next one in the box is a skincare product. As you know or may not know, I don't take care of my skin in certain ways. Like, I don't ever use masks. And I don't ever use exfoliating treatments. And that's why I have a lot of blackheads on my nose. But this is it's so poreless, deep exfoliating blackhead scrub from Tula. This retails for $32, and it says, got pores? Get this. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. Alright, so I was looking at my nose the other day and I was like, oh, they're getting bad, your blackheads. So I opened this up and I used it, and I didn't see a noticeable difference. Then again, I also only used it once that whole week. So I have to like actually get myself on like a regimen of doing it, because being home and not outside and not really moving as much, I feel like my pores are getting much more clogged. I just sit, like I don't do anything when I'm at home now. This was really nice on the skin. Even though it has all those like sands and things, it wasn't so like crunchy that it hurt to apply. It also has the scent of a popsicle, the firecracker popsicle. Exactly that scent, which is incredible. I love those things. It brings back such nostalgia vibes for me. So I'm very excited to continue to use this, and I'm gonna leave this on my desk so I remember to take care of my skin. Alright, the next product in the box is from Tristiq, and I've actually gotten one of these products before. It's a duo. It is a mascara and eye pencil duo. This retails for $44, and this is the Good Vibes mascara and eye pencil. It says an eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibes mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and a mascara. in one product. The eye pencil formulated for sensitive eyes features a luxurious, versatile gel formula. This pencil glides on like a liquid but provides pencil precision. So I've used this mascara before, and there's quite a few things that I just do not like about it. And one being this, which is the eyelash curler. It's this small. I can't like physically curl my eyelashes without like fucking them up a little bit. I just don't think I'd ever use this. The tube is enormous. It's huge, which is fine, but I don't particularly think the product does all that much for my lashes. I feel like I get way more volume and length out of like a Maybelline Lash Sensational, which is much more affordable. However, the pencil, which is shaped just like a pencil, I really, really enjoyed, and I will continue to use this, so that's a win. This one, again, it's just not my favorite thing. Next in the box, I actually really, really liked this product, one of my favorites. This is from Glamouray. It comes in this super cute jelly holder, which reminds me of my childhood. And these are the Pink Glitter Eye Brushes collection, and they have little hearts in them. That's so Valentine's Day. I actually really love the brushes in here. Oh, I didn't tell you how much it retails for. $29.95. I actually really like the brushes in here because they're not typical brushes you get in a brush set specifically. And this has no name on it, so I can't tell you like what the name of the brush is, but it's this one. This little baby one here. It is the perfect little C, and it's not only great for like getting in the inner corner, but I like to do a lot of detail work with my eyeshadow. Like I was winging it out, and I like to put a little bubble in it this time before the wing, so it really helped me precisely like trace out where I wanted my eyeshadow, and then it helped me pack it on really well. I also did a little bit of like a sun thing inside my eyeshadow, and I did it all with this brush, which is amazing. This is like a flat brush but fluffy, so it's like a crease brush on steroids. It was really good for packing on like my inner color and then also blending it into like the crease area, which was incredible. And then this is a little mini crease brush, and obviously like a little angle brush. So this was a great brush set, and I'm so excited to continue to use this. It's like super cute and super like useful for me. So this was a huge win in my book. And the last product in the box is one that I do not like. This is from Evo Beauty. This is $32, and it is the Perfect Primer. I put on my Boxycharm list, like, you know how they give you that quiz, like what's your skin type, what do you like? I have a very dry skin type, right? And so when I saw that this was a pore filling primer, I was like, oh, I already know this ain't gonna work for me, but I'm gonna try it. I'm not even gonna read the description because I'm just gonna tell you, this thing pills so bad, it looked like my skin was literally peeling off of my face. And I only used it in my T-zone area, but the moment I put product on top of it, it started to like pill and peel. And at one point I literally had to take off all of my makeup from here and reapply my base makeup because it just looked like I was peeling a second skin. I will not be using this. I'm curious if you have a more matte skin. I mean, if you have a like an oilier skin type, perhaps because I was so dry, it just wasn't clinging to anything, even though I moisturized real good. So I wonder if you have like a more oily complexion or a normal complexion, it would help you more or be better for you. But for me, a dry skin girl, this was just awful. So I'm just going to quickly add up the products in the box and I'll get you a price. So the value of this month's box is $167.94, which is great because, not that I gave you the spiel this time, but you only paid $25 for this box. Next month I get a Boxy Luxe, which I paid $25 plus $25. I paid $50 for, but those always come with like way more products and way more variety and kind of higher end stuff. So I'm excited to see what comes in that box. I already did pick out a foundation, which I'm pumped about. So yeah, guys, that's everything that I got in. Okay guys, so that's everything I got in my box this month. I know it's super late, and by the time I update this and upload it, it might be March. But I'm sending everyone some good vibes for March. I know this goes into 1 year of us in pandemic land, and I remember the day I got the phone call telling me that I was furloughed from my job because of the pandemic. So I'm very just grateful that I'm not in that position anymore, that I am employed, and that I'm like getting my life back on track, and I'm just sending that kind of energy out to everybody, and I'm hoping that we all get to pursue our dreams this year while being safe. I hope we all get vaccinated. You know, I hope that we all just crush this pandemic, so when we're in the future and I'm teaching history classes about it, I can say that eventually we came together and we defeated COVID, and now we get monthly COVID shots or like yearly COVID shots or something like the flu pandemic. Oh, I also made a TikTok. I'll put it here. It's right now just history stuff. Okay, that's it. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.